Purikura, a photo booth popular among Japanese high school girls that make you wrinkle-free, have huge eyeballs, and make you super kawaii. What's up guys, Dope Sensei here to tell you how to Purikura in Japan. Purikura, standing for Print Club, was a Japanese phenomenon that started in 1995, reaching its peak around 2002. Even with the advent of smartphones and selfies, Purikura remains popular for special occasions and a surefire way to take kawaii levels to its ultimate form. Alright, let's get on to how to Purikura. Step 1. Find a Purikura machine, usually located in game centers or in any urban area in Japan with these letters. We went to the one in Harajuku. Step 2. Find your machine of preference and insert 400 yen or whatever price it says on the machine. Step 3. Select your preferences such as eyeball size and get into modeling mode. Step 4. Go to a separate part of the booth and select a few final photos. Step 5. Go crazy with the decorations. Step 6. Wait for the photos to be developed, cut the photos, and distribute it with your friends.
So it was really fun, and he enjoyed it a lot. He looks so nice. I think everyone should do Purikura. It's really fun, although the eyes can get a bit creepy when they make it a bit too big. But other than that, good times.
Alright, if you found that video useful, please hit that subscribe button, that like button, and let us know in the comments below what other things you want us to cover.